Hello guys and welcome back to the Crypto Mood. Today we are the 25th of January 2022 and we had a rough beginning of the week. Yesterday was absolutely awful guys, but yes, we recovered somehow, and in this video we are going to see what kind of price action we are going to get over Bitcoin, and also I'm going to get into the past of the S&P just to assess if we are in a similar situation as many people think, as 1929. Yes, absolutely. And also we are going to review the coin that you guys picked on the Telegram account right here, and yeah, you proposed me many coins, but I picked inside XRP, so we are going to make an XRP analysis. Welcome to the Crypto Mood. Consider subscribing, leaving some likes, and do whatever you do on YouTube most of the time. The notification bell, I forgot that, of course. See you after that. Thank you so much for watching. You are still a survivor. You are still in the market. You survived one of the worst drop we had since I started this channel. And guys, it was really awful. I felt the pain also myself. So right now I'm personally in a position on Luna, as you can see here. And guys, if you want to follow on my position, you can just click that join button down there. You'll be able to follow all my position in this member area. Okay, so what about Bitcoin? The question of the day. It was really awful guys. Yesterday was nasty. I mean, it was better, but the morning when I woke up, it was devastating to see already 10%, 15%. But guys, as I told you on Telegram, this is an occasion sometimes to do amazing trades. There is no need to inject money when there is no need sometimes to just buy the dip, as everybody's telling you. You just swap or flip your coins. I don't know however you want to call it. Swap or flip your coins from one out to another, and sometimes, like for example, Solana was down 16% and Luna was only 10%. So you could just go on Solana, wait that you recover these 10 or 6%, and then jump back to Luna, and you already make 8% profit. Right now, as you are super underwater, it doesn't mean a lot. It seems like it doesn't mean a lot, but when the market is going to recover, you're going to have this 8% for you more than where you left it. So slowly you're creeping up back your position and your main account position. As we are trading spot, we don't care. We trade spot guys. Trade spot, please. Trade spot, no leverage. You'll survive. You'll survive. So Bitcoin, and I'm just going to do it on my fractals tells me that we are good, that we are going to spike up. That's the fractal. The real thing right now, we are on the 4-hour chart, and this is for today. So we can see that we have two levels here on the Chandemo. We are nearly topping, so I guess this level here is going to make resistance. And we have another resistance here. So I think today we are bouncing here, resisting here, and trying to breach 37, trying slowly to creep up to 37, but there is no guarantee here. So if you want the bigger time frame on the daily, we are absolutely good. We are absolutely low here, still very low on the RSI. So the daily is really showing signs of recovery right here. I'm gonna keep my S&P analysis for the end, because I know some of you guys get bored once you watch too much charts. So let's go to XRP. But it's gonna be very interesting guys. It's always very interesting to go back to the market history, see what kind of things happened in the cross history and chart. It's absolutely interesting, and the period of 1929 is something that you should really look, because many people compare this market of today to 2029. I'm not so sure it's interesting. We'll see that after. So XRP is basically, we are going on the 4-hour to see what kind of movement we can expect for today. And we are exactly in the same kind of situation. I see a little bit of fatigue here around this level, and so we might see some more upside here and bounce and be stuck here around 0.65 because we have this moving average that is going to hold us. The VIX also seem a little bit tired, and I would not be surprised if we go back here on the Shandemo after. So on the daily, we can see we have exactly the same kind of configuration. We are absolutely very low, and we see also a bullish divergence. So my fractal tells me this for later. That's what the fractals tells me, but we cannot trust them 100%, not even 90%. This is just a very this is just a probability, but sometimes they give really good results. So we'll pay attention to that. That's for XRP. And now let's get back to the S&P, guys. Devastating S&P, much worse than cryptos, much worse. Actually, we went ahead of them in two things. We crashed before them, which is something absolutely interesting, and we bounced before them, and now they are bouncing before, after they lag after cryptos. On the daily, we can see that, and why we study XRP, I don't know if you understood, but we are absolutely correlated to XRP. In fact, just with a lag, and we can see here this VIX is reaching the sky. I haven't seen a VIX that high since a long time. A long time. Last time we were that long, it was of course here on the 20th of March, the dreaded 20th of March 2020. We went even much higher. Last time we went that high, it was more like here during that bounce, and it was a V-shaped recovery as well. So that's positive, guys. Stay on the positive side. We can see this whole market has been creeping up since a long time, and I have a new fractal for the S&P. I'm going to show you, but it's very experimental. So on the daily, in fact, what we could expect is a bounce for so many reasons. We are so low here on the RSI, as I told you guys. So this level should definitely bring some support. We are bouncing back here. I would expect us to go back to 4,487 very quickly, and then we'll see. This is bending, but it's not so alarming right now. We have to see how these indicators are going to look once we get back here, and it will tell us if there is more bounce to come, or if we should really creep up here for a long time, for a longer time frame. But I don't think so. So my fractal here, as you can see, and we are going on the weekly. Guys, really consider subscribing to the channel again if you watch it until here, and if you're not subscribed, consider doing so. Support the channel, really leave some likes, because YouTube is not helping at all to rank this video. YouTube prefer to rank the Moon Boys, the Carl, the Bit Boys, all that crap. So really it would be a massive help if you can support channels that are trying to keep it grounded on Earth. So really it's important for the algorithm, these likes, the comments also. You can leave some comments, and it will really help the channel. That would be amazing. Thank you. And yes, this fractal, as you can see here, you see where I took it from. And for that, we need to go back in time. And what's the beauty here? Normally, why it's not displaying right now? I had it before on my own chart. Okay, let's see if I can refresh it. The beauty, as I was telling, and we are going back in time. Yes, this time I get it. Back in time, and it's wonderful. You can see that the S&P started trading in 1872. So you are just contemplating the whole humankind here. Humankind and history of mankind. And what we see here is a very crucial period. And you can see what a hell of a bull market they had back in 25. My God. From 24 Here it was absolutely flat from 24 to 29 of July 29. September 29, it was all a bull market. The whole market doubled in the glimpse of a few months. So did we see anything like that right now? No, we didn't see anything like that. We are more like creeping up slowly but surely since the Trump administration. And yes, we in 29 we went down as fast as that. As fast as it was. Can we compare this to what's happening now? I don't think so. I don't think so, but the fractal is very interesting. If we want to do something like that, we have to double S&P, so we are at 4,000. We have to get to 8,000 in basically 3 months. It's impossible, guys. And the top here was very clear. We had a very high RSI, we had a very high Shandemo, everything. Of course, in that time period, they didn't have computers, they didn't have analysis, they didn't have nothing. So yeah, the war, because why I'm talking about the war, because we have this thing with Ukraine and stuff, and people are starting to freak out. I even made a video about it. What's gonna happen if we have an invasion of Ukraine overnight? Maybe we can relax a little bit, guys. The war, when you look at this chart, so 39.45, was it such a, I mean, of course, in terms of history, it was awful. But here in terms of charts, from 39 to 45, actually market starting bouncing in 42. So shall we be scared? Shall we be driven by fear? I don't think so. I don't think so. The market we have right now, and we are browsing all humankind history here, it's more looking like something like the 50s and 60s, guys. It's more looking like this, and every time we went down on the S&P, like here, we had a little bit of a bad time period, like in 62, and it was not that long, from July to October, and then we bounced back, we found back our level, and it was not such a big deal. Here again in 66, this dump was more, that was more of a bear market, a nasty one, from 2nd of June 69 to 19 of June 70s. Guys, do you know what happened here? Is it Vietnam or something like that? That would be interesting to know. I'm not so good in history, but if you know, guys, let me know. Here also, we had a really low and slow bleeding bear market from 73 to 74. So yeah, that was actually quite flat from 70 to 82. And then we resume a bull market with bump and dumps, and the parabol we are following, the parabolic move we are following right now. And yeah, it's this in history is also something, guys. We've been trending on the upside nearly from 87 to 2000, and that was the internet bubble crash here. It was something. You can talk about a crash here. It was something. We had another crash, of course, in 2008. Okay. Since then, we are trending on the upside. And this chart here is from actually to 29. So it's following a little bit, but it's just to get the inspiration of what could happen, because it's more extended, obviously. This is on many years, while the 29 crash was just in a few months. And the bull market was also in a few months. we are trending on the upside since a long time. That's why everybody is scared. But in the whole human history, if we zoom out, it's not that alarming, especially because when we look here and we are on the weekly, this Shandemo is super low, and the VIX is, the RSI is also quite low. So I wouldn't see right now any signs of big alarm. Also, we printing some green here. Last time we printed some was in September 21, 18 of February 20, and then it was in 2018. So this is not something that you see a lot. And if we want to do the same as we did in 2029, if you want to follow that logic, like I told you, we had to double. So we have to reach 9,000, 8,000 here in July 26. So guys, we might have another 5 or 6 years of bull market on the S&P ahead before World War III or whatever you want. I don't know what's gonna happen there. The arrival of the achievement of Facebook and AI, total control over humankind, or whatever you want to call it. Guys, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you if you watched the video until now. Thank you so much for watching it. This has been a harsh period of time. We are going to recover. I hope this gave you some positivity. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, leave some likes. If you want to use my Binance referral link, you can use this link here. Just scan it. You're gonna have it also in the comment section down there, the link. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Merci. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.